Good morning students, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Children, we are going to start Geography of 8th class. We will start with the first chapter of Geography, that is Resources. In this video, we will study about the various subtopics that are resources, classification of resources on various bases, development of resources, resources planning, land resources. These all subtopics we will study in two parts. This is the first part of the resources. Yes children, before starting this chapter, first I'll introduce the resource. What is resource? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable can be termed as resource. Or in simpler words we can say that anything which satisfy our need and which is easily accessible to us is called resource. The flowchart shown on your screen is the flowchart of the interrelationship of the different kinds of resources. Human being is surrounded with all type of resources and these all type of resources are directly or indirectly related with each other. Classification of resources. Resources are classified in various categories on different bases. First, on the basis of origin. Resources are of two types, biotic and abiotic. Second, on the basis of exhaustibility. Resources are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Third, on the basis of ownership. Individual, community, national and international. Or in simpler words we can say private resources, public resources and the community resources. Fourth classification is on the basis of the status of development. Potential resources, developed resources, stock and reserves. Now we will study this classification in detail. First, on the basis of the origin. Yes children, on the basis of origin, resources are divided into two categories, biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources. These are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. It means all the living things comes under the biotic resources. And abiotic resources composed of all non-living things, resources such as rocks and metals. Second category of classification of resources is on the basis of the exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, the resources are divided into two categories, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are the resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or replenishable resources, example solar, wind energy, water, forest, wildlife, etc. And non-renewable resources are the resources which occurs over a very long geological time. Minerals and fossil fuels are examples of such resources. These resources take millions of years in their formation. The third category is the classification of resources on the basis of their ownership. First, individual resources. These resources are owned by individual privately. People own houses, plots and other properties. These are known as the individual resources or we can say private resources. Second is community owned resources. These are resources which are accessible to all the members of a community. Village commons such as grazing grounds, burial grounds, village ponds and public parks, picnic spots, playgrounds are some of the examples of the community owned resources. The third subcategory in this type of resources are the national resources. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. The country has legal powers to acquire even private property for public good. all the mineral, forest, wildlife, land within the political boundaries and oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles from the coast belong to the nation. These resources comes under the national resources. The fourth category in these type of resources are international resources. These are international institutions which regulate some resources. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles of exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean and no individual country can utilize these resources without permission. So children, these three categories we have studied in this part 1. Fourth category and other subtopics we will study in part 2. Thank you.